Does this sound familiar? It's the first of the month, your paycheck hits your account and you feel like you can buy the world. But by the 15th, your wallet is empty, your bank balance is crying, and there's only one question looping in your head. Where did all my money go? If you're nodding right now, trust me, you are not alone. Most of us just want to make more money, but the truth is, the problem isn't always your income, it's your money management. Today, I'm going to show you a ridiculously simple and powerful technique that will change your financial life forever. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. This rule isn't some new magic trick. It was actually popularized by U.S. Senator and bankruptcy expert Elizabeth Warren in her book, All You're Worth. The absolute best part about this rule? You don't need to track every single penny. No boring spreadsheets. You just need to take your after-tax income, your take-home pay, and split it into 3 simple categories: needs, wants, and savings. Let's break these down so you can build your first solid budget. Rule number 1. Allocate 50% of your income to your needs. These are the absolute essentials you can't survive without. What are we talking about here? Your rent or mortgage, utility bills, basic groceries, healthcare, and transportation to get to work. Notice I said basic groceries. Ordering Uber Eats every night does not count as a need. If your needs are eating up more than 50% of your paycheck, it means you're living a lifestyle you can't quite afford right now. You'll either need to cut down those bills or hustle to increase your income. Now for the most fun part of your life, the 30% for your wants. A lot of financial gurus out there will tell you to stop eating out, stop going to the movies, and cancel your vacations. But honestly, is that any way to live? No way! That's why the 50-30-20 rule actually encourages you to spend 30% of your hard-earned money on stuff you just enjoy. Want to cop those new sneakers? Get them. Want to grab a fancy dinner with your friends this weekend? Go for it. Need your Netflix and Spotify subscriptions? This 30% bucket is exactly for that. But remember, the line between needs and wants can get blurry. A gym membership might be a want if you never actually go. The discipline here is making sure you don't cross that 30% limit. And finally, we get to the most important part, the piece that actually secures your future. The 20% for savings, investing, and debt payoff. This is the money you are paying.
Building an emergency fund. If you lose your job or have a sudden medical bill, this fund is your safety net. Second, crushing bad debt, like those high-interest credit card balances. And third, investing. The stock market, index funds, or real estate. This 20% is your seed money. If you plant it today, it'll grow into a massive tree of financial freedom tomorrow. Always set this money aside at the very beginning of the month. Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. Let's look at a super quick practical example. Let's say your take-home pay is $5,000 a month. According to the rule, 50% or $2,500 goes to your needs. 30% or $1,500 goes to your wants. And that remaining 20% or $1,000 goes straight into your savings and investments every single month. If you consistently invest just that $1,000, the power of compound interest will build you a massive nest egg in a few years. Budgeting is easy. Sticking to it is the hard part. But the 50-30-20 rule makes it so incredibly simple that literally anyone can do it. So set up your budget today and take control of where your money is going. If you got value out of this video, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe for more animated financial breakdowns. I'll catch you in the next video. Until then,